I just noticed with this bike is that his sprocket is loose. Yeah, his sprocket definitely loose. Okay, I tightened his sprocket up. I got his sprocket tightened. Another thing, I adjusted his chain all the way like back. So what he gonna do, he gonna need a new chain because his chain is stretched out. So he gonna have to just get him a new chain because it's adjusted all the way to the last bar. And another thing, I tried to bleed his brakes, and his brakes is not working. So he gonna need a new master cylinder. So overall, he gonna need new grips. He gonna need a new master cylinder for the back brakes, and I'll put a new chain on it.